Hey, how's it going? Here's a 3-minute look at how intelligent selection works. So, we've already talked about all the great benefits and use cases that intelligent selection solves for in the previous video. So, let's quickly refresh on what intelligent selection is, and then we'll dive into actually setting up intelligent selection within the Braze platform. As a refresher, intelligent selection is a feature that analyzes the performance of a recurring campaign or canvas twice a day and automatically adjusts the percentage of users that receive each message variant. With that refresher, let's dive right into setting up intelligent selection for both your campaign and canvas journeys. Once you've composed your variants for your recurring campaign, you can turn on intelligent selection simply by moving through your campaign creation flow. You can find intelligent selection at the target user stage. Here, turning on intelligent selection is as simple as clicking a button. That's it. For canvas journeys, intelligent selection can be activated from the Edit Variant Distribution pop-up. Again, this is just a simple click. So, how long will intelligent selection run for? For campaigns and canvases, intelligent selection will run until it gathers enough evidence about the true conversion rates of the variants. Enough means that there's enough data to know which variant is performing best. We want to choose a statistically significant winner after all. So, intelligent selection is also smart enough to turn itself off. In most cases, one of the variants will be chosen by the algorithm as the winning variant. This variant will then be given to 100% of the audience for future sends. With intelligent selection, you're able to optimize toward the right journey at a more holistic level, as opposed to just the right message this one time. At the end of the day, intelligent selection is great because you can turn it on with a click of a button instead of having to complete a lengthy workflow. It lets you optimize your campaigns using data rather than hunches. It enables you to set it and forget it, with intelligent selection turning off on its own when it's done finding the top performing variant. In summary, intelligent selection optimizes your experiments towards the best performing variant automatically. So there's no need to sit there waiting for the results to come in. And that's it. To dig even deeper into this high-value feature, check out our other walkthroughs on our Intelligence Suite, or search Intelligence Suite and Braze Perspectives to dive into this and all of our other Intelligence Suite features. My name is John, and I'm an Associate Product Marketing Manager here at Braze. Thanks for watching.